everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do interrogative adjectives. After completing this lesson, you will be able to define interrogative adjectives and also you will be able to find out or identify interrogative adjectives. Before that, let us revise what is meant by an adjective. A word which describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun is called as an adjective. For example, he is a clever boy. In this sentence, clever is the adjective. Give me some sugar. Here some is the adjective. I have 5 pens. Here 5 is the adjective. Now let's start with interrogative adjectives. Look at the sentence at the board. Which book do you prefer? In this sentence, which is the noun? Book. Which book? So here, which is describing the noun book. So it is an adjective. Okay? And it is also asking a question. So it is called as an interrogative adjective. Interrogative means question. Okay? So when, what, which and whose, they are used with nouns to ask questions, they are called as interrogative adjectives and they are used in interrogative sentences. Interrogative adjectives, they ask questions as well as they describe or modify the nouns. Okay, now let's see what. What usually ask about things. Let us see examples. First one, what time is it? In this sentence, the noun is time. What time? So here, what is describing the noun time? So it is an adjective and it is also asking question. So it is called as interrogative adjective. Okay. Now this sentence, if I write like this, what is the time? Question mark. Now here, what is not used with noun? Here in this sentence, what is not describing any noun. So it is not an adjective. Got it? Then what? After what we have a verb. We don't have a noun. What is the time? So is over here is a verb. What is standing alone? It is not used with a noun. So in this case, what is not an interrogative adjective? It is a pronoun. It is an interrogative pronoun. Understood the difference? Now, second sentence. What books have you brought? Here, books is the noun. What books? So, the word what is describing the noun books. So, it is an adjective plus it is also asking a question. So, it is interrogative adjective. Similarly, next sentences we have. What time do you have lunch? Here, time is a noun. What is interrogative adjective? Then next sentence. What work did you do? Your work is a noun. What is an interrogative adjective? Last sentence. What dress are you wearing tonight? Which is a noun here? Dress. What dress? So what is interrogative adjective? Okay? Which ask about people or things when there is a limited choice. Let's see some examples using which. First one, which planet is the largest? Here which is the noun? Planet. Planet is the noun. which planet. So which is describing the noun planet. So it is an adjective. Which planet? It is also asking a question. So which is an interrogative adjective. Similarly, next sentence. Which ice cream do you like? Here in this sentence, ice cream is your noun. Which ice cream? So which is describing the noun ice cream, as well as it is asking a question. So it is an interrogative adjective. Okay. Same way, which newspaper do you read? Here, newspaper is your noun and which is an interrogative adjective. Fourth sentence, which machine did the company make? Here, machine is the noun and which is your interrogative adjective. Last sentence, which flowers are red in color? Here, which is the noun? Flowers. Which flowers? So, which is your interrogative adjective. Now look here. The first sentence, which planet is the largest? If this sentence I write like this, which is the largest planet? Okay. Same sentence I have written in a different way. Which is the largest planet? Now in this case, which is not used with a noun. It is not describing any noun. It is used alone. It is standing alone. Here, after which we are having a verb. So in this case, which is not an interrogative adjective. It is an interrogative pronoun. Okay. So this is the difference between interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun. Whose? Ask about possession. Now let's see some examples using whose. Whose bag is this? Now here I have written two sentences. Whose bag is this? Same sentence I have written in this way. Whose is this bag? Now, can you tell me which one is an interrogative adjective and which one is an interrogative pronoun? Now look here. The first sentence. Whose bag is this? Here in this sentence, which is the noun bag. Whose bag? So whose is describing the noun bag. Whose is used with a noun and it is also asking a question. So it is an interrogative adjective. Okay. So the first one is an interrogative adjective. Now let's see the same sentence. Whose is this bag? Here, whose is not used with a noun. It is not describing any noun. So it is not an adjective. So after whose we have is. Is a verb. Whose is standing alone. It is not describing any noun. So here whose is an interrogative pronoun. Got it? Next sentence. Whose umbrella did you borrow? Here, which is the noun? Umbrella. Whose is describing the noun umbrella as well as asking a question. So whose is an interrogative adjective. Third sentence. Whose name is written on the board? Here the noun is name and whose is interrogative adjective. Next, whose pen is lying on the floor? Here pen is the noun. Whose pen? So whose is interrogative adjective. Last sentence. Whose ball did you take? Which is the noun? Ball is the noun. whose ball. So whose is asking a question as well as it is describing the noun ball. So it is an interrogative adjective. Okay. So today we did interrogative adjectives. Hope you have understood. Any questions you can ask in the comment.